Up for sale, I got a 1969 Camaro RS Z28, true RS Z28, finished in correct fathom green with black standard interior. It's a beautiful nut and bolt, frame off restoration, fresh, less than 250 miles on it, on the whole build. I'm going to walk around and tell you more about the car, show you any flaws that I do see, fire it up, and then we'll drive it. So if you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe if you want to see more. I got a little bit of piece of paper in front of me with some notes on it, so let me talk a little bit about that. Start at the back here and go forward. Change it up a little bit today. Everything's new. So this black rear bumper is excellent. All the paint is excellent. Probably the nicest sounding exhaust I've ever had on a car. My battery's gonna die, so I gotta, unfortunately, get a new battery. So I'll start here again. Anyway, where was I? The DZ28 motor is date code correct. It's a real DZ28 with correct 11:1 pistons, pink rods, 30/30 camshaft, and 1178 crank, balanced and built by Zimmerman Speed Shop. The DZ stamping and the trim tag, the X33 trim tag, have been verified by Jerry MacNeish and are in his Z28 registry. Excuse me, database. This is a high quality restoration, and restorations of this type cost upwards of $100,000, as we all know. Even the beautiful trim ring on this. For whatever reason, with its super low miles, there's 1, 2, and 3 tiny little stone chips right there. Don't ask me how. Anyway, the paint in general is glass, correct fathom green, like I said. When it was restored, they used all GM NOS sheet metal. All the glass is excellent, all the trim is excellent. I'll show you the interior and then I'll go back into my sheet that I have here. All of the interior is in excellent condition. In fact, the clock is spinning as we speak. Nice to have a clock working on a car. Excellent carpet, excellent bucket seats, beautiful console. Gauges, it has an 8 grand tack. The paint here is beautiful. Dash pad is excellent. Top of the dash is excellent. Headliner is excellent. The light works. Steering wheel. Yes, 8 grand tack. You can see the clock spinning. Power brakes, power steering. Excuse me, power brakes with front disc, not just power brakes. The underneath of the car is just as nice as the top of the car. I do have some pictures of it on the lift. Let me see, it has a dated 186-202 heads, dated 4053 Holly carb, dated 480 distributor, 837 alternator, dated BU code 3.73 posi 12-bolt rear axle that has been rebuilt. And of course, in the little bit of driving, it suffered one little stone chip there and a small little guy right there. Front bumper is excellent. Nice gaps on the hood. It is a cowl hood. Taking my time trying to pick this car apart. There's a couple of bugs on here. Get out of here. I will pop the hood though. And I will show you the engine compartment. My hand's stuck. Is it gonna open? Excellent underhood. Show quality engine compartment. Very factory correct looking. Like I said, it does have power steering and power brakes with front disc. Actually, the brake booster, if I'm not wrong, it is it's a dated 9204 brake booster with correct master cylinder. So there's that, which also has been rebuilt. Correct 472 Winters cast aluminum intake. Small little stone chip right there, or I guess it rubbed at some point in time. Correct Z28 YH rally wheels. Again, all of that information that I'm reading off this little piece of paper that I have, it will be in the description when I do put the car for sale. So, you know, if you can't remember it now, that's okay. I'll have it typed up. Like I said, just trying to pick apart the car. Another excellent door panel. Excuse me. A little bit of dust on here. Let me see if there's anything else I got here that I haven't talked about. It has the original radiator, and it's an original cowl induction car. It was built on June 16th, 1969, and sold new at John's Chevrolet in Winchester, Indiana. Previous owner had it for 25 years. All gauges are new and in working order, even the clock, which you did see. Actually, I've already done the back of the car, so we're going to wrap it up soon. It's a no corners cut, excellent restoration. Like I said, 1969 RS Z28 X33 true RS Z28 car, finished in factory correct fathom green with black standard interior, nut and bolt frame off. Dated correct verified DZ code 302 motor, and trim tag M21 4-speed, power steering, power brakes with front disc, 3.73 posi, 12 bolt rear. I'll just flash the underneath real quick from the back side, and yeah, there you have it. We're gonna fire it up now, and then we'll take it for a quick ride around the block. Don't want to drive it too much. So thanks for watching. If you have any interest, please let us know. And thank you. All right, here we go. I'm going to give him the thumbs up.